By 2027, the job you have today might not exist. And I'm not talking about science fiction, I'm talking about roles being quietly automated right now, while the people doing them have no idea. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the 6 jobs artificial intelligence is about to erase. Then I'll show you 3 that are about to make a small group of people very, very rich. Number 3 on that second list? Almost nobody is talking about it. Stay until the end. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people won't say out loud. AI isn't coming for every job at once. It's coming for the predictable ones first. The tasks that follow rules, repeat every day, and don't need a human in the room. If your work can be written down as a step-by-step process, an algorithm can probably learn it. And the companies paying those salaries? They've already done the math. So let's count them down, starting with number 6. Number 6, data entry clerks. For decades, this was the reliable office job. Type the numbers, move them between systems, double-check the spreadsheet. The problem? That is the single easiest thing on earth for AI to do. Modern systems can read an invoice, pull every field, and enter it perfectly in under a second. No coffee breaks, no typos, no salary. Entire departments that used to employ 20 people now run with 2 and a piece of software. If your job is mostly moving information from one box to another, this is the writing on the wall. Number 5, frontline customer service. You've already felt this one. The chatbot that used to be useless? It isn't anymore. AI support agents now handle returns, refunds, troubleshooting, and complaints in 40 languages, 24 hours a day, without ever losing their temper. Big companies have quietly cut thousands of call center seats because the machine resolves the simple tickets faster than a human can even pick up the phone. The humans who survive will be the ones handling the hard, emotional cases the AI escalates. Everyone else is being phased out. Number 4, bookkeeping and basic accounting. Reconciling transactions, categorizing expenses, generating monthly reports. This is bread and butter work for millions of people, and it's exactly the kind of structured, rule-based task AI eats for breakfast. Software can now connect to a bank account, sort every transaction, flag the strange ones, and produce a clean report with almost no human touch. The certified accountant who gives strategic advice is safe. The person who just enters receipts is not. Number 3, paralegals and legal document review. Law runs on paperwork, contracts, case files, discovery documents, thousands of pages that someone has to read. Junior staff used to spend whole careers doing it. Now AI can scan 10,000 documents in minutes, summarize them, and pull out exactly the clause a lawyer is looking for. Firms are realizing they need far fewer hands for the grunt work. The expensive, judgment-based legal thinking stays human. The reading and sorting does not. Number 2, basic copywriting and content production. Product descriptions, SEO blog posts, social captions, email blasts. The high-volume, low-creativity writing that powered a whole freelance economy. AI now produces this in seconds, at a fraction of the cost, and the agencies that sold $10 articles are collapsing. But pay attention, because this one has a twist that matters for the second half of this video. The writers who learned to direct the AI instead of competing with it didn't lose their jobs. They multiplied their output by 50. Remember that. And number 1, the biggest one, the one that will surprise people, administrative coordinators and schedulers. This is the invisible engine of every office. Booking meetings, managing calendars, routing emails, keeping projects moving. It feels too human to automate. It isn't. AI assistants now read your inbox, schedule across time zones, draft the replies, and chase the follow-ups automatically. These roles existed in the millions, and they're being absorbed into software, one feature update at a time. There's no announcement. The job just quietly stops being posted. Okay, that's the scary half. If you stopped here, you'd walk away thinking the future is hopeless. It's the opposite. Because every single one of those jobs disappearing creates a massive, once-in-a-generation opportunity for the people who position themselves correctly. So here are 3 roles that barely existed 3 years ago, and are quietly minting a new class of wealthy people right now. Number 3, the AI automation builder. Every business that just cut its data entry team still needs that work done. They just need someone to build the system that does it. People who learn to connect these tools together to design the workflow that replaces the manual task are charging thousands of dollars per project. They're not engineers. Many of them learned it in a few months. They simply showed up early, learned the tools, and became the person every small business is now desperate to hire. Number 2, the AI consultant. Most business owners know AI is important. Almost none of them know what to actually do about it. That gap between knowing you need it and knowing how to use it is where the money is. Consultants who walk a company through adopting AI, training the staff, and rebuilding the process are commanding premium fees because they're not selling software. They're selling the answer to the question keeping every owner awake at night. Am I about to fall behind? And number 1, the role with the highest ceiling of all, the AI-leveraged creator. This is the person who uses these exact tools to build an audience and a brand that they own. Think about it. One person, with AI writing, AI voice, AI visuals, can now produce what used to take an entire studio. They build a channel, an audience, a list of people who trust them. And that audience becomes the most valuable asset in the modern economy. The creators who started early, who treated AI as leverage instead of a threat, are building media companies of one. There has never been a lower barrier to reaching 1 million people. And the window is open right now. So here's the real takeaway. AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to use it, and rewarding the ones who do. The 6 jobs we counted down aren't vanishing because the work disappeared. They're vanishing because the work got absorbed by people who learned to direct the machine. The question isn't whether this is coming. It's which side of the line you'll be standing on when it does. If this opened your eyes even a little, subscribe, because this channel is about staying on the right side of that line. I'll see you in the next one.